Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you on how to use a context map. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is an empathy and define tool. It got the following characteristics. Define the context related to our project or business idea. The members of the team will choose which aspects will be worked on. Define the context of our challenge. We can work with trends, political factors, economic factors, technological factors, social factors, or uncertainties. We will use large format papers and each of them will be assigned on one aspect to work on. As a group, team members will be write on notes, sticker characteristic related to each of the aspects, placing them on corresponding paper in the relative of uncertainties. We will put those doubts that we have and what we need to solve. This technique serves to share the knowledge of the team about the context of the challenge we face, and if we use it, the phase of empathy and, of course, defining the situation. So, like I was telling you, the context map is an extremely important tool. It helps us a lot to understand what is around our project, our development. Before I start explaining this subject, please, if you like our content, subscribe to our channel, give us a like, turn on the bell, help us to keep growing and creating new content. So the context is extremely important and is the first thing that I need to know. After that, we have to recollect information around the context that the team will choose. We need to understand, but basically is all of that, all the different factors around the project or the service. And of course the group. The group, it has to be at least 4 people, or could be many more, but it's extremely important that the whole group work together. So the first thing is that we need to define the elements. What are we going to study? So we need to define those elements. And after that, we have to define the different tasks that each one of the members will analyze. And of course, we have to consolidate. It means the whole group put together and consolidate the whole information. After that, we have to start analyzing and qualify the information, because not everything that we recollect is important. And then we start analyzing the information. Then, as a group, we have to debate and understand what's going on around the context. And of course, we need to have results. For example, if the topic was economics, we need to know everything about that, or politics. But the result basically allow us as a group to take decisions and make the best situation to do. So we can say it's possible to have both scenarios when everything is well done, or other one when we say like this is not the right time to develop this. So it's really up to each one of the different situations that happen around the context that we want to explain and analyze. As a conclusion, we can say that at the end of the process, the context map should be a tool that gives us a better understanding of the situation and make decisions related to the development that we are making. The more information is make us take better decisions and allow us to understand everything better, focus to solving the problem that we're working on. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish. Every Thursday we have a new video in English. Our Udemy courses are already available. In the description of this video, you can find the link. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.